Hey, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Vasu. Today I am going to share a recipe that is not my recipe at all. This is the recipe of Swati banerjee, Swati Ji. I know her just a couple of years back, just after lockdown. I did a show in Star Jalsha TV channel. It's a cookery show from Windows Media. So there I got to know about Swati Ji. Actually, we really had a good bonding after the shoot. She shared this recipe in her Facebook page. That is the recipe. The name of the recipe is Sojne Phool Chocchori. So this is a very common recipe. Maybe you are wondering why I am sharing this recipe. Okay, that is the surprise for Swati Ji. She doesn't know that I am going to prepare the recipe. So thank you, Swati Ji, for sharing this recipe. The reason is that I often when this is the season of Sojne Phool or the Moringa flower. So I prepare the Sojne Phool Chocchori, but in that recipe I always use Sojne Phool, the mustard paste. So my mother she cannot eat mustard paste or Sojne Phool. So that is the reason she just tastes it, but she cannot eat the entire thing, the Sojne Phool Chocchori. So I was looking for a recipe which is really very simple and my mother can eat. And one more thing, this recipe is no onion, no garlic. So those who are vegetarian, they can also try the recipe. Not only the Bengali people, the non-Bengali people can also try this recipe. That is the reason when I was preparing the recipe, I explained everything in English so that everybody can understand. And ingredients and quantity I will write it in the description box. And the recipe Swati shared over there, her mother used to cook in that way. So I did not add anything extra from my side. The same way, the way she explained the recipe in Facebook, I just followed the recipe. So it was really very good. I am assuring that, and my mother can eat. So whenever whenever I will prepare the Sojne Phool Chocchori, I have two options. One option is with Sojne Phool and another option is this normal Sojne Phool Chocchori without Sojne Phool. And as usual, both of them no onion, no garlic. So I'm not going to share the Sojne Phool recipe because it's very common. Everybody knows about that. So I'm not wasting any time. So just I'm going to the cooking portion. Just follow the way I prepared. So it's very easy and very tasty with plain rice. So just go through the recipe and enjoy. Let me start with the ingredients. So we have this Sojne Phool or Moringa flower. Let me show you. So it's like that. I just soak it in plain water, but I added some turmeric and some salt, so that if there is any insect or anything like that, that will be washed and reduced. So I will wash it and with the plain water and rinse it. And what else I have, let me show you. For this Sojne Phool Chocchori, I have this cubed potato. I keep this skin on, but that is optional. If you don't want, you can peel off the skin as well. And then I have the spices or masala. One by one. This is normal ginger paste, sugar. We Bengali use sugar, salt, and this is turmeric powder, and this is cumin powder or Zeera, and that is whole cumin and Zeera. I have dry red chili, and this is bay leaf or tej patta, and these are red chili from my kitchen garden. So let's start with the cooking. Okay, the entire cooking I will cook in mustard oil. So first I will heat some mustard oil. It's around 2 teaspoons mustard oil, and here I will add something. Let me show you. That is 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. If you are not a Bengali, then also you can try this recipe. So that is why I am making this recipe, and I'm saying everything in English so that you can understand that. So first I will heat it. Let me wait for a couple of seconds actually. what we call Bengali, that is foron. So first I will add some cumin or gota jeera, and then this dried red chili, turn it, otherwise it can splutter, and of course the tej patta. If you like spicy, like tikha, then you can add the seeds as well, otherwise you can remove the seed. As I don't want that seed, so I removed it. I'm sorry. Now I will fry that potato. Carefully I will add this potato and then I will fry it. I will add some salt as well, so that it will cook fast. You know, have to think about the gas as well. The price is really very high right now, so sprinkle of salt, give it a stir, and now cover it. So once it's done, I'll be back. Let me check potatoes are done or not. Okay, it's done, and now I will reduce the heat at first. And now I will add this Sojne Phool or Moringa flower. I have taken 200 gram of Sojne Phool. The price, let me tell you, in Kolkata, in Jadavpur actually, yesterday when I went there, the guy who is selling, he said that it's 40 rupees for 100 gram. I said I will take 200 rupees, so what will be the price? So he gave it in 30 rupees for 100 gram. So it's right now it's quite expensive. Everything is very expensive. When I was a kid, it was like 10 to 15 rupees. Even I guess last year I bought that is 15 to 20 rupees per 100 gram. But right now it's really pricey, I must say. Maybe more people are eating it. I don't know the reason. So I will add other ingredient. That is my new spoon, by the way. Isn't it cute? So 1.5 teaspoon ginger, and then this turmeric, salt I will add, and then 1 teaspoon of cumin or Zeera powder, roasted cumin or Zeera powder. I will mix it well. I don't know who just escaped. I think a bay leaf just went out. Okay, I forgot to add sugar. It will be little bit sweet curry. It's not very salty, so it will be the sweet one. 1.5 teaspoon here. And now I just mix it well. So I have to add little bit of water, not much, and then I will cover it up. It's half cup around. And another mix. And I will cover it for 5 to 8 minutes maximum. And now I have to check if it's done or not. First I have to check the potatoes. Yes, they are soft. Now in a high heat I have to cook it, so this watery section that will be evaporate and it will be dry, like as we say in Bengali bhaja bhaja, so it will be like that. So I have to dry it and I'll come back again. Okay, the gravy that is reduced and evaporate. So now I will switch off the gas And now I will finish it off with some clarified butter or ghee. So I will add this ghee over here, and of course I will mix it. This will be as I said, sweet curry. It won't be tikha. And I'm adding this chili. If you don't have red chili, you can use green chili as well. So just I have to give it a stir, and it's good with rice, plain rice definitely. I cannot wait to taste it. So let me show you. We are done. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and you can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, or you can follow me in Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen as well. So if you want to place food order, you can always check me in Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen. You can directly contact me. And if you want me to cook your recipe and show your recipe like this, so you can send me your recipe with a picture as well. And if I like that recipe, definitely I will try it. Maybe all the recipe I cannot try. This recipe of Swati, she did not tell me to try it, but I love the recipe, that's why I tried it. So simple recipe I always love. I always love to learn from everybody. So thank you for watching me and my channel. So I'm just signing off.